Simple and compound interest. Hello children, have you ever thought, how does bank make money? How does bank give extra amount for the money deposited by us? When we have a savings account in a bank and deposit money, bank pays more than what we have saved. Similarly, when we borrow money from the bank expects us to pay more than what we have borrowed. The extra money depends on the rate of interest set by the bank and governing bodies. Bank makes money by charging more for the loans than what it gives for the savings accounts. In this chapter, we will learn and study about these processes. Let's start with simple interest. Soumya and Unnati each deposited 10,000 rupees at the rate of 5% per annum for 2 years. Soumya calculated and told Unnati that she has earned an interest of 1,000, while Unnati negated her statement and said that she has earned 11,000. We will try to find out the correct answer. In previous classes, we have learned that simple interest is equal to principal into rate of interest into time upon 100. Upon 100. On putting the values, we will get SI is equal to 1,000. Thus, an interest of 1,000 is earned by both Soumya and Unnati. So children, by applying the general formula of simple interest, we can find the value required. Now by keeping the basics of simple interest, we will learn and study about compound interest. Do you know, a bank never charges simple interest? It always prefers compound interest. We will try to understand the compound interest by taking an example. Zishan invested 5,000 rupees for 3 years at the rate of 5% per annum. How much amount will he get back after 3 years? We know that simple interest is equal to PRT upon 100, where P is principal, R is rate of interest, and T is time period. On putting the values, simple interest is equal to 750 rupees. Also, amount A is equal to principal plus simple interest is equal to 5,000 plus 750 is equal to rupees 5,750. Now let us suppose that Zishan invested this amount at the same rate of interest for 1 year only. Then, simple interest would be equal to 5,000 into 5 into 1 upon 100 is equal to rupees 250. So, simple interest is equal to rupees 250. Also, amount A is equal to principal plus simple interest, that is, 5,000 plus 250 is equal to rupees 5,250. Now, he can invest rupees 5,250 instead of rupees 5,000. Let us calculate the interest and amount if he invests rupees 5,250 for 1 year. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100 is equal to 5250 into 5 into 1 upon 100 is equal to rupees 262.50. So, simple interest is equal to rupees 262.50. Also, amount is equal to principal plus simple interest is equal to rupees 5250 plus rupees 262.50 is equal to rupees 5,512.50. So he gets rupees 262.50 minus 250 is equal to rupees 12.50 more interest than the previous year. Now he can invest rupees 5,512.50 instead of rupees 5,000. Therefore, simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100 is equal to 5512.50 into 5 into 1 upon 100 is equal to rupees 275.625. Therefore, simple interest is equal to rupees 275.625. Also, amount A is equal to principal plus simple interest is equal to rupees 5512.50 plus rupees 275.625 is equal to rupees 5788.125. Thus, we can observe that on investing the same amount of money at the same rate of interest for the same period of time with two different methods, Zishan earned more interest using compound interest method. In case of simple interest, the interest remains the same every year. However, in compound interest, at the end of each year, the interest gets added to the principal and the amount becomes the new principal for the next year. When the interest is calculated on successive amounts, we name it as compound interest. All banking, financial and business transactions involving loans and deposits follow the principle of compound interest. Let us find out the formula to calculate the compound interest. While calculating compound interest using the formula of simple interest, the time period is taken as 1 and the rate remains the same. Every year, the principal changes and so the interest and the amount. For the first year, amount 1 is equal to principal into 1 plus r into 1 upon 100 is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100. For second year, the principal is equal to the amount of first year. A2 is equal to A1 into 1 plus r by 100 is equal to P into 1 plus r by 100 into 1 plus r by 100 is equal to P into 1 plus r by 100 whole square. For third year, the principal is equal to the amount of second year. A3 is equal to A2 into 1 plus r by 100 is equal to P into 1 plus r by 100 square into 1 plus r by 100 is equal to P into 1 plus r by 100 whole cube. In general, after n years, the amount AN will be given by the formula AN is equal to P into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n. We can also say A is equal to P into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n. So children, on the basis of the formula of compound interest, we can find the rate, principal or the time period of different problems.